Opening an Etsy shop with Printify allows you to sell custom print-on-demand products. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. Create Etsy account. Go to Etsy.com and sign up for an account. Choose Sell on Etsy to set up your shop. Set up your shop. Fill in your shop name, language and country. Choose your currency and click Save and Continue. Connect Printify. Visit Printify.com and create an account if you don't have one. Log in and navigate to the My Store section. Click Connect and select Etsy to authorize the integration. Design your products. In Printify, go to Product Templates and select Add Product. Choose items like t-shirts, mugs or tote bags. Customize your products using Printify's design tools. Publish to Etsy. After designing, click Publish to send your products to your Etsy shop. Fill in details like titles, descriptions, and tags. Ensure your listings are optimized with relevant keywords. Promote your shop. Share your shop on social media, use Etsy ads, and engage with potential customers to drive traffic to your store.